Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change language on SquareUp. If you want to change your language setting on SquareUp, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser. Now once you do that, go to the URL box and type in squareup.com. Press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official website for SquareUp. Make sure that you're signed into your SquareUp account to get started. Once you are logged in, from the main settings page, go ahead and look for the Account Preferences tab. Select the language drop-down and choose the language of your choice you would like to change to. Finally, click on Submit. You now need to enter your SquareUp account's password so that you can save the change. Enter your password in the text box and finally click Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your language setting for your SquareUp account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.